Hey Tubes, this is my 1985 Roper lawnmower. My dad had given it to me. He's getting up there in age and doesn't really use it much. It was always garage kept, and we figured, me and him together, how many times he used it per month and how many months out of the year, and we figured it has under 500 hours on it. I have a video that I made when I first brought it home, and this is a little rundown of what I did since then. I had made a lot of little videos in between, but I deleted them all. I figured I'd have a before and after video like this, and that would be it, you know. Like all kids when I was younger, I played around a lot with small engines, but you kind of forget. So there's a young guy named Brandon. He has a lawnmower channel called Can't Kill Me. So he kind of guided me through this until I started getting my memory back. But yeah, since I got this tractor, I had to put tubes in all the tires. I washed it. Of course, it got dusty from sitting in the garage so many years. It hasn't been running for about 3 years. So I put chains on it, a weight system, a plow, a new seat, the wheels cut a little bit. There you go. Yeah, did a wheel alignment. Straight the steering wheel out. It was cocked. Here's my dad's name. We have the same name. We could leave it there. Yeah, that's about it on the outside. On the inside, I took the gas tank off, flushed it out, put a new drive belt, new gas line from there to the carburetor with a shut-off switch. Yeah, I keep my tools down here. I took the carburetor apart, cleaned it, got that working good, and excuse me. What else? Carburetor, new spark plugs. I changed the oil like 5 times just to flush the motor. Run it for a half hour, 45 minutes. You know, change the oil. Now it's like real clean. New battery, new starter, all new wires, heavy duty wires. I'm probably missing something somewhere. Here, I'll show you. It's cold out here today, man. This is I'm out here on Long Island. It's about 30 degrees today. It's Christmas. There's the oil. It's clean. And she runs great. Goes through all the gears nice. And here's the original muffler too. Everything on this tractor is original, except the seat. But yeah, I'm about to start it up. Let you guys see. I see a lot of videos with these old tractors, and I wonder why these guys like crank the hell out of these motors to get them to run. This thing doesn't do that. If you're wondering how I got the weight system on here, there's like a chain box on the back here. And I just ran a threaded rod through it with big washers back here, and slid some truck rotors on there. But they're not going nowhere. They don't even rattle. Anyway, I'll let you see how she runs. Pull the choke out. Go half throttle. This is ice cold too now. Watch this. Oh, I forgot to put the clutch in. Oh, I know what I forgot. Turn the gas on. I was getting a slight knock in the motor, and a lot of these Briggs Strattons have that. I realized what it was. I was running too thick of an oil. I was running 2050, and you got to run 2030, especially when it's 30 degrees out. What I'm thinking of doing is checking the governor or the governor's spring, because I don't think she's getting 3,200 RPMs. I don't know. I can't tell. It's quiet with the muffler. Yeah, here's another thing. They said there's no way I can get this plow to fit my tractor, and it's weird, but this belongs up, and it's supposed to have a pin that goes into a into this bracket. And what happens is it stabilizes it. What I did was I flipped this around. I put two through the chassis, and I put one through the bottom of this to control it that way. And I'm gonna see how it goes. If it handles the snow without bending my chassis. And of course, I had to squeeze this together, so I had to take the front plate off and drill holes a ½ inch closer, because this is a narrower frame. But other than that, I mean, it fits pretty damn nice, considering the guy at the store didn't even want to sell it to me, told me it wouldn't work. There you go. Anyway, like I said, I did take a video of this tractor right here at the side of this tent. Oh, I would say a month ago. It's back a few videos, and you can see it came a long way. It was sitting there with flats. It was dirty, but she's up and running now, and she's running good. And that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, especially you guys that like these lawn tractors. I could see how you guys are so into it, man. I mean, I'm up there. I'm in my 50s, so but if I was a little young, I'd probably make a race cart. I probably still could. You know, I got my toys for speed. Yeah, I got one right here. You guys probably see it. Thousands of my videos are on my bike. But this is it. And again, I want to say thank you, Brandon from Can't Kill Me. The kid knows a lot about lawnmowers and stuff, and I think I kind of got under his skin a little bit, questioning him, but not one time did he show any anger or anything like that. He acted like a real gentleman, man. He took care of my situations for me. He's a real good kid. I call him a kid. He's probably 30 years old, if that, but to me, that's a kid. I'm 55, so. Anyway, guys, so look, take care of yourselves. Have a Merry Christmas, if that's your bag. All right, guys, take care. God bless you.